Welcome back to this channel for practice problems for actuarial exams. My name is Krzysztof Ostaszewski. You can find information about me at smarturl.it/Jedi. I give you my advice on how to pass actuarial exams at smarturl.it/pass. My video channel on YouTube is at smarturl.it/pass actuarial exams. I also have a video channel on d.tube. You can find it by going to smarturl.it/go pass me some exams. I run online seminars for exams P and FM, and because exams MLC and MFE are changing temporarily, I'm still working on seminars for MLC and for LTAM and IFM. They will start soon. When they start, I will post the link, which will most likely look like this. That will be smarturl.it/btdt-IFM and smarturl.it/btdt-LTAM. I direct the actuarial program at Illinois State University. You can find information about it at smarturl.it/actuary. And if you'd like to make a tax-deductible donation to support our students, please go to smarturl.it/help ISU actuary. So today I will post a problem from the last exam MLC as my first video for officially exam LTAM, long-term actuarial models, because the topic of that first question is on the new exam. And I will keep posting solutions of that last exam, while also posting problems for exams FM and P. Mostly FM because I'm teaching online a class for FM this summer. Of course, if you have questions, let me know. I may post answers to your questions. So here's problem number 1 from multiple choice section of the spring 2008 exam MLC that was given at the end of April this year. A select and ultimate survival model has a 3-year select period and is specified as follows. The ultimate part of the model follows the illustrative life table, which is given on the exam, and the select part of the model is such that probability of survival at age X of the select population is the same as the table probability of survival at age X minus 5. Probability of select population, population selected at age X minus 1, but survival at age that X minus 1 plus 1 is probability of survival in the table at age X minus 3, and then P X minus 2 in brackets plus 2 is P X minus 1. Calculate probability of survival of probability of dying for a person age 45 selected at that age over the next 4 years. So we start by writing the probability of dying as 1 minus the probability of surviving, and then we write this probability of survival over 4 years as the probability of survival in a select population at age 45 over 1 year, times the probability of survival selected at age 45 plus 1 over 1 year, times the probability of survival selected at age 45 plus 2 years over 1 year, and then at age 48 this is no longer a select population, it merges with the general population, so times P48. And based on the information we have, and that's the same as 1 minus P select age 45 times P selected at 46 minus 1 and then plus 1 times P selected at age 47 minus 2 plus 2, and then finally times P48. And based on the information that we are given in the problem, that's the same as 1 minus The probability of survival in the illustrative life table of 1 year for age 40 times the same type of probability for age 43 times the same type of probability for age 46 times the same probability at age 48. Now the table, at least as it is given in the PDF file that you can find on the website of the exam, it doesn't give you the probabilities of survival of 1 year. You could calculate it from various pieces of the data, just for example by dividing the size of a population at 2 consecutive years. But the simplest thing to do is to look up the probability of dying within a year, which is in the table, and we write each of these probabilities of survival is 1 minus the corresponding probability of dying over the next year. And all of those are in the table, so we look them up for age 40, 43, 46, and 48, plug it in, and do the calculation, and we get 0.0154808, approximately 0.0155, which is answer D. Please remember this is copyrighted material. The problem itself belongs to the Society of Actuaries. It's reproduced with permission, and the solution is mine. Good luck in your studies and good luck on the test.